Hey guys, welcome back to Goth and Budget. I'm doing a quick little intro video for this video because I have to run to work real quick and blah blah blah. Anyways, so I went to Goodwill and the local thrift store we have here, that Veteran something, I'll leave it down below. And I spent, not actually, I didn't spend a lot actually, like 56 bucks, maybe 100. Anywho, yeah, I had fun at Goodwill. I went to two different Goodwills and I found a lot of good shit. The first one I went to, it's across the street from me, and I found a lot of stuff like a Kat Von D book and stuff like that. You're gonna see in a second, but yeah, I had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to check me out on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, mostly Instagram. I like posting on Instagram more. But yeah, enjoy this video. We're gonna see a lot of stuff and a lot of new projects coming from that stuff, so yay! I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, so straight off the bat, this voiceover is gonna suck. Anywho, so this is my Goodwill slash thrift store, local thrift store haul. First off is this giant ass key that my husband picked out, which is actually really cool. I am totally in love with it. He did a good job. Yeah, this is going to be in our living room. And then all these clothes I got, like this shirt, that's actually pretty cute, if I can open it. Anyway, so yeah, this is a black mesh shirt that I found at Goodwill. Pretty comfortable. Another black shirt that has like a little lace front. It does have a hole, but it's totally fine. It's like a plain shirt I can wear, whatever. Ooh, it's from Roxy. Yeah, I couldn't really pass up that price. Moving on to this cute little black flawless crop top. It's actually pretty small, barely covers my boobs, but it's from Papyrus, so couldn't pass that up. It's actually really cute. I do love this. Next up is this. Oh, it's a dress. Ta-da! Super cute. I couldn't pass this one up actually because I know it's a Target brand. This is from the Veterans thrift store too, so it was a little expensive, which is okay. A regular black skirt, because I'm all out of skirts. Big butt. I know what you're thinking. It's a green romper. It's going to be dyed. And I couldn't pass it up because I can fit in it and it has pockets. Leave me alone. A black maxi dress that my mom told me not to buy, but I still bought anyways. Cause I'm a rebel. It's actually like a nice stretchy fabric, so I can wear it whenever. And this cute skirt. It's like a mesh skirt, kind of scratchy, but I like it. Very flowy. Size medium, still fits. Next up is a red plaid dress because all my plaid dresses are gone. I really wanted this one. Cute. So these are actually plus size women's pants. I want to wear them because for days when I don't feel like wearing pants, I need to put clothes on. To figure run out of big baggy pants. Ta-da! Ooh, yeah, another skirt. I got a lot of skirts. This is another long skirt. It's mesh all the way down, but then there's like the cover, so it covers your butt. It's actually super soft and nice. I didn't spend a lot for this one, actually. And here, so another pair of pants. These will hopefully fit my ass because they're size 18 and they look big enough. But these are gonna actually turn into shorts because right now California is super fucking hot. I don't think summer is gonna just end right here. Oh, so this is like a jewelry holder thing that I'm gonna use. This is gonna be in a project soon. I couldn't pass up this. This is another find that Cody found. And I thought it was $5. It was actually $7.99. Still totally worth it compared to the original price. So I'm happy about it. It's actually in another room right now. And I also got these shoes. These are at the second Goodwill I went to. These are actually from American Eagle, and they're cute. So this I am super proud of. I only got this for like a freaking dollar as I drop it. And I actually never read Kat Von D's books, so I'm glad I have at least one of them. Aw, the baby photo. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like, comment, subscribe. I don't care. Just thank you.